from the PC is Dallas from Zerlot's class. He estimated 107, and there was exact number of 135.
Wow, nice, Dallas. Good estimation.
Way to go, Dallas. At the elementary, we actually had a tie. 2. We had Hayden from Miss Horning's class and Honesty from Mrs. Christensen's class.
All right.
They both estimated 250, and they were only 2 off. It was 252.
That is awesome.
So I will be calling you guys down later today to get your prize.
Awesome. All right, you guys. And before we go,